So what is up, everybody? We are back with another video on Turbo, and today we're going to be giving you guys the regular daily update on Turbo on what it's been doing recently. So before we do start the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo and these regular videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen at about 0.207265, almost even within the last 24 hours. Market cap at about $474 million, so still under that $500 million range. Volume at 200 million, so which is pretty decent. I would say 42% volume to market cap ratio, so moving pretty good. If you don't know about the coin, Turbo Coin is an absolute banger. This was one of the first meme coins created with the help of AI, using ChatGPT 4 with a budget of just $69, and it's currently listed on 110 spot exchanges, which is an absolute huge thing, which is one of the things keeping Turbo alive. Perpetual futures, it's on Coinbase, Binance, Bybit, and on spot it's on the biggest exchange in the world, which is Binance, and also the other tier 1 KuCoin, Kraken, and a lot of these other exchanges as well, which is absolutely huge, because the more exchange listing there are, the easier it is for people to get into certain coins. And for Turbo, it is extremely easy because a lot of people have these exchanges as well. Most of these top, Binance currently seems to be the biggest exchange for Turbo as well. There are other exchanges, BitCat, OKX, and a lot of these other ones, which is really good, because the more exchanges you have, the easier it is for people to get in and trade this coin. It has also collaborated with a lot of these other companies as well. If we check out their Twitter, sitting at about 97.1k followers, very close to 100k, hopefully hitting that very soon as well. We already know the community art is absolutely crazy. We have a hot coin posting about Turbo right here. This a bit Unix, it had incredible volume, and it recently did a poll which one would be the next 1000x GOAT, ACT or Turbo, and a lot of people voted for Turbo in the comments, as you could already see. So we already know this will be one of the winners. We see the creator Ret Mankind, there have been articles published about Ret Mankind on how he created this coin, and it's an absolute inspiration to read this as well. Again, the community and the developer is really strong behind this coin, and the exchanges are very good backend support, because we already know that these exchanges are keeping up this coin. If this coin was a scam, this coin wouldn't be on so many exchanges, especially the biggest exchanges in the world. And these exchanges are very expensive to get into, because if they are dumping a lot of money into this, they obviously believe in the project. So definitely something good within the project itself. We are almost up about 1% in the day. If we look at the past 7 days, we are down about 15.4%, and we can see this just wave downwards. If we take a look at the comments, let's go all the way up above these spam comments, because there are a lot of spams right here. 92% of the community is positive, and if we look at comments, we can see super bullish with Turbo, bullish, and almost all the community is bullish on this coin, because they realize the potential behind this coin. This coin will definitely rise at some point, but what is annoying for several weeks, and today is the day, tomorrow big pump, boys. So in long term, definitely bullish. We can't guarantee today, tomorrow is the upwards direction. And again, as we recently heard with the Coinbase and Robinhood rumors, that it will most likely be listed, because Turbo official team replied to a comment asking if they will be listing on Coinbase and Robinhood, and they replied, said applied. So they applied to these exchanges. We could possibly see a listing on Coinbase and Robinhood. If it does, that would be absolutely massive for Turbo, because Coinbase also next to Binance in the biggest exchange in the world, very beginner friendly, especially in the US. It is very popular. So if it does come to Coinbase, it will definitely see a huge hike, and absolutely crazy. So a lot of these other comments are also bullish on this coin and saying a lot. If we take a look at the prices, on. Let's head over to TradingView, and again, this is the same chart we did draw in the previous video. Still the same narrative is playing out. We are still within that price range as we predicted. Most likely our next move is going to be all the way up to 0.209, as we could see right here would be our price target, or maybe just high 0.208. That would be our next target if this graph does play out, and most likely it will, considering that this is what does play out in the market. We see a bullish uptrend, we see lower highs every time, but almost the same neckline over here, and once we see we will most likely hit the top once again, which just happens to be high 0.208 or the 0.209 if it does rise quicker. So definitely would be our next price target. We would most likely hit the neckline once again, the bottom out once again, and then we will see a breakout, retest, and absolutely to the moon. That's what the charts are saying. That's what the prediction is looking like. So next target would definitely be 0.209 and beyond that as well after that. So a lot of things coming forward to this coin, maybe a new exchange listing, which is very regular, and maybe a breakout very, very soon. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about how crazy of a coin Turbo is, and again we did look at the charts on how the chart is playing out and how the pattern we will see our next target within the 0.209 or the high 0.208, as we did look into the chart. And even with the listing rumors on Coinbase and Robinhood, if that does happen to happen, that will go absolutely crazy, because those exchanges are very, very popular in the US. They have the most beginner friendly audience, and if it does happen, a lot of people will have easiest access to trading Turbo, which would definitely result in a price hike. And it's still going crazy. It almost broke even. It's climbing back up. We will see the charts going absolutely crazy very, very soon. So just hold on and just be patient, because that is how the markets work. There hasn't been a coin that hasn't seen bad days. Most people that have sold will possibly regret in the future. And again, this is not financial advice. I'm just a random guy talking on the internet saying it's personal opinion. Do make sure to do your own research first. Do make sure you understand the risk that you could lose it all, you could gain it all. So this market is very, very risky. Do make sure you understand the market before you get into these coins. So if you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think of Turbo, and also what your next price target for Turbo would be. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on Turbo and also other crazy low market cap gems as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.